This is Ted with Sellers Roofing Company. I get this question a lot. How much does roof repairs cost in St. Paul? Uh, it depends. Depends on what needs to be repaired, the size of the roof, the type of the roof, and if it's 8 a.m. versus 6 p.m. The price would depend on if it's an emergency repair. So the average cost for a residential property in St. Paul is anywhere between $300 to $800. That's for your typical shingle roof repair. If it's a commercial roof repair in St. Paul, that can range from 800 to 5,000. Again, that depends on the type of roofing system, how old the roof is, the time of day, and so forth. So if you have a urgent need for a roof repair in St. Paul, Minnesota, in the description below, our website, our phone number is all there. Reach out to us and we'll get in contact with you as soon as possible to get you over a quote. Again, this is Ted with Sellers Roofing Company.